Now, we've all experienced a building evacuation caused by a fire alarm that was set off accidentally or sometimes intentionally. Safety Technology International is continuing to refine its stopper technology, designed to protect the devices that protect us from harm. Lucy Siegel reports.
Now, the chances are that you've stood next to or nearby a Safety Technology International product. They've been installed across the globe, from Disney World and the Empire State Building to the Dubai Snow Dome. Now, these are the products that protect the life safety equipment that we all rely on to protect us.
It all began with a challenge. Some 35 years ago, Jack Taylor was approached by a local school because they'd got problems with the false fire alarms. Alarm systems going off all the time. The fire chief there was on the point of going to charge the school. So Jack Taylor went in there, designed what became the very first stopper.
From that very first solution, solving a false alarm problem for a school in Detroit, Safety Technology International has grown not only in terms of the US headquarters, but also across Europe, from the UK head office in the West Midlands. The company now boasts over 1,000 products that ensure the time of fire officers across the world will be spent most wisely. As Michaela Ford talks me through some of the range, it becomes clear that when you're innovating against false alarms, you need products for many eventualities.
It's not unheard of to see extinguishers being used as temporary door stops, especially in the summertime. But they're also prone to theft and also can be discharged, which causes damage to the environment. We created a product which would protect and monitor the use of extinguishers.
But there is one product, of course, that Safety Technology International is particularly known for.
This is where the stopper, the famous stopper, is actually assembled. In Europe, we're now pushing the Euro stopper and our multi-kit version, which you can have one box and about 6 different variants in one box. So Mr. White Van Man, for example, only has to carry one product instead of 6 products. So it's much more user-friendly, both from an installer's perspective and, of course, from the end user's perspective.
The Eurostopper is one core product seen as critical in the fight against false fire alarms, a big issue that has been under the radar. Until now, the building research establishment has carried out some major new research. The resulting 35 recommendations make for vital reading for all stakeholders, including the fire service.
Some of the other findings have been the greater use of manual call point covers and manual call point side protection could help reduce the false alarms from manual call points, which are often triggered by malicious activations or accidental activations.
And these findings tally with Safety Technology International's own 35 years of experience and product innovation.
We were contacted by a support manager at Norfolk School. They were suffering from 3 false activations a day, so they needed to find a solution to their false fire alarm problem. So every single call point that was accessible to the students was covered with the stopper. The result was that after a 6-month period of the products being installed, there were no false activations.
So that's a bit of a result?
That's a result. And that's exactly what the product is designed to do. And I know it's helped many establishments in the same way.